Oh, but you know, at some point when I was watching The Office, my mom called, so I pick up the phone, and we start having a long conversation, you know. And my TV, I didn't set this up, but I didn't set this up myself, but somehow my TV, it's like a smart TV, I think. When I don't do anything with it for a while, it goes into like an AFK mode, you know? And I was on the phone, so I didn't notice. I mean, I noticed very fast and I reacted fast, but you know, there was one of the builders was in the room at the moment, and then the screensaver shows up, and let's just say it's a little bit of a spicy picture. And I'm like, oh shit. And I quickly turned off the TV, but I'm not sure if the worker saw it or not, because in theory, he was looking in that direction in the moment. But yeah, I was hoping he didn't see. So yeah, I turned off the TV as fast as possible. Yeah, wait, it takes like pictures, I think, from my Google Drive. Now, I mean, it's not, you know, I will not go into detail what kind of spicy picture it was. But it was a bit spicy. Yeah. Not too spicy, you know? But a little bit spicy. Anyway. Yeah. I was really fast though, so it should be fine. Cloveless Gura. No, I don't have a Cloveless Gura on my G drive. Mama Loni Holotori. That one is very spicy indeed. That picture. That's a good spicy. That's a good spicy. Anyway, I'll leave it at that.
Okay, but this is just divine. Exquisite.